Hello, my name is Sian and I'm a front of house supervisor here at the Bodleian Libraries. Welcome to Convocation House. Completed in 1637, Convocation House is an addition to the Bodleian Library and was built as a meeting place for the university's governing body. It has served as a parliament chamber on several occasions during plague outbreaks in London and during the English Civil War. You may recognise it from many of the films that have used this splendid location. These films include The Favourite and The Madness of King George. But I wanted to draw your attention to something you might otherwise miss. The intriguing rectangle of primrose glass high in the south window is in fact a sundial dating from the 17th century. Look closely and you'll see the faint Roman numerals 6 to 3 visible in the yellow border, and a dragonfly signifying the brevity of time at the centre. Several 17th century glass sundial designers often used flying insects as a visual pun on time flies. But when our sundial was placed there is a mystery. While it is undoubtedly 17th century, there is no written reference to it before 1923, which may have been an oversight, or it may have been recycled from a different location. After all, the university has recycled ceilings and doors, so why not sundials? Sadly, the sundial doesn't actually work for two reasons. The gnomon, the metal spike which would have cast the shadow and which would have been on the outside, has long since vanished. But more shockingly, the sundial has been put in back to front, so it would never have told the time anyway. It had been suggested that there is no written record of this sundial because of this very embarrassing fact. To the right, there is another sundial with a sprig of roses and a brimstone butterfly. There are earlier records of this sundial being in situ, maybe because it is the right way round. It only has afternoon hours as it faces west, and again the gnomon is missing. It's been further compromised by the building of Exeter College Library next door in 1857, which cast it into permanent shade. Evidence strongly suggests that both these sundials were custom made for Convocation House. And it is possible that they were installed at the time of a major refurbishment in the 1750s, when the fabulous vaulted ceiling was added. Thank you for joining me. If you would like to hear more about Convocation House, go to our website where you can find out how to join one of our fantastic tours.